see me coming a mile away. Islands and profits out there, like diamonds is really fake. Lavish, I see a Louis and Gucci, I grab it. Do it like Whoopi, yeah, I'm in the habit. Drip it and up in the sink while I'm touching your plate like a savage. Here comes the real thing. Here comes the real thing.
Hi ma, thank you for everything. This is it nga. Wala na to damhang nga magpakasal ta karong this year. Pero grabe gid si Lord mga iya gid ang giblisingan nga ug ihatag gid niya nga kabubuton nga unsa atong gipangayo niya nga mablisingan lang gid ang pagpuyo.
I know that this could hurt me bad. I know that this could feel like that, but I just can't stop. That my defenses drop.
This time I grab this opportunity. Sincerely apologize nga dili ko perfecto nga pagka partner ma. And night times mapasakitan tigag istorya, usahay, mapahilak, dili unta na nimo deserve. And this vow reminds me and realize me how you stand with me and fight with me to your family. Ma, I'm sorry that you feel that way. Maybe na pressure lang jud kus akong responsibilidad isip nga pagkamahan.
It feels like I'm falling in love. Maybe for the first time. Baby, it's my mind. You blow. It feels like I'm falling in love. You're throwing me a lifeline. This is for a lifetime. I know.
To Mil, my dearest Pa, I have never known a love as deep and profound as the one I share with you. You have seen me at my best and at my worst, and yet you have always stood by my side, unwavering in your love and support. I promise to always cherish and honor you, to be your faithful partner and your forever friend. With you, I found my home, my heart, and my soulmate. I promise to understand you more.
Human ang inyong kinabuhi nga pagkaulitaw ug naga karon. Unya magdesisyon, magkonsulta ay sa matag usa. Dili kay unya ra mo pahibaw humana, no? So mao na ang kaminyon usa ka hagit apan usa ka dalaygon o santuson, no? Pinaagi diha sa pagpuyo sama sa Sagrada Familia. Hinaot pa unta.
Feels like I'm falling in love. You're throwing me a lifeline. Oh, now for the first time, I know I'm not alone. I'm all alone. I'm all alone.
And this is the right time mga need na pud ako'y mustahan nimo ug sa atong pamilya. I promise ma to change for better, and I promise to you and to our family that I'll do my very best to give you a good future. Take care. Love you. and protect all of you forever, Mrs. Apurilio, soon to be unto our sons. I love you so much, ma.
I will always choose to have a peace with you. For everything you do, I will respect it. And Pa, I love you so much.